Today, the US continues losing value against all the currencies. Traders are still pricing in the possibility of a slower key interest rate hike by the Fed. Macroeconomic data from Europe also failed to change the market sentiment. At a first sight, the UK labour market reports met forecast and the unemployment rate increased to 3.6% from 3.5%. However, the pound sterling did not decline. Instead, it showed some signs of a rise. The fact is that the number of UK unemployment claims increased by 3,300, whereas economists had foreseen a smaller rise of 27,000. What's more, unemployment data is for September, whereas the claimant count report was published for October. It means that the next report may unveil a drop in the unemployment rate. In other words, the current rise is just a short-lived phenomenon. This is the main reason why the euro and the pound sterling are still trading at their current levels. However, the US dollar remains extremely oversold. This is why it needs a correction, so a further rise in the pound sterling and the euro looks unlikely. In a best-case scenario, they could enter the narrow range. Analysts assume that the US dollar may start an upward correction after the opening of the American session. The euro-dollar pair slowed down its growth around the 1.0350 level yesterday. As a result, it was fluctuating within the range of 50 and 60 pips. Traders managed to make a profit considering the pair's weakness as the accumulation of trading forces. Since the opening of the European session, there has been an increase in the volume of long positions. Buyers were prone to buy the pair at the current flat level. If nothing changes, the quotes may climb to 1.05. The pound-dollar pair finished the formation of the inertial movement near 1.1850. As a result, the pair bounced to the previously broken level of 1.1750, where it stagnated. Under the current conditions, the stagnation near 1.1750 could be an accumulation process, which may cause new speculative price swings. Perhaps the pair will soon be able to break out from the narrow range and resume an upward movement. The upward scenario will become possible if the price consolidates above 1.1850. If so, it's highly likely to approach the psychologically important level of 1.20. The downward scenario will be considered if the price settles below 1.1680 on the 4-hour chart, and in this case the pair may slide to 1.1410 and 1.1525. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.